Well, hi there and welcome back. Dan again from Clean Guru. So today, just wanted to talk about the fact that we all, human nature, we know what we want. So do you want it? Yes, we want these things. The problem is not all of us are so used to saying yes to, are you ready for the sacrifice that will take? Or the everyday persistence and pain that will take, or discipline. And that's the hard part. So sometimes I really think it's not a matter of I need to be the most intelligent person to build a big business or creative person. I think the biggest part of a lot of this has to do with, are we the people that are willing to say, clearly, here's what we want to accomplish, and then I will doggedly go through every day and not give up to implement that. So implementation, so it's always that kind of thing. Not to rely on too many cliches, but remember, I think I mentioned this once. I always like the quote, the difference between greatness and mediocrity is measured in inches, not miles. It kind of made to me that same point, that it's not the most creative idea of all time that you need, or be the most intelligent person of all time. I need to be somebody who can clearly think about what needs to be done, and with the help of others, doggedly every day work at implementing to get to that goal. Perseverance. The inches that I have to do every day is working on those steps every day. Something to think about. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.